Welcome to Decoding the AI Job Market, Strategic Skills for the Next Decade. Our goal is to help you navigate the evolving landscape with confidence and build a career that thrives alongside intelligent machines. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Guidance series. We address the critical question: what if the job you're preparing for today won't exist in 5 years? The AI revolution is fundamentally redefining careers across every sector, from healthcare to finance. This video will equip you with critical skills to thrive in the AI-driven job market. This matters now because the pace of change is accelerating. AI capabilities are doubling quickly, narrowing the window for adaptation. Traditional job security is gone. Your adaptability is your primary asset. Understanding AI's trajectory provides an unprecedented competitive edge. We begin with Chapter 1, the AI revolution. Let's cut through the hype and examine the data-driven reality of AI's impact on the job market. The truth about AI is nuanced. Myth: A, I will take all jobs. Reality: A, I will transform jobs, eliminating tasks and creating new roles. Myth: only tech jobs are safe. Reality: roles requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving remain highly valuable across all industries. AI integration is already disrupting specific industries. Finance leads with algorithmic trading, while healthcare uses AI for diagnostics. Manufacturing has adopted predictive maintenance, and marketing uses AI for content generation. Understanding your industry's specific trajectory is step 1. AI adoption follows an acceleration timeline. Phase 1 automates repetitive tasks. Phase 2 transforms cognitive routine work. Phase 3, which is approaching quickly, establishes human-AI collaboration as the standard across most professional roles. Traditional entry-level positions are experiencing an immediate impact. Tasks like data entry and routine scheduling are handled by AI systems. New graduates must demonstrate higher-order skills such as judgment, creativity, and interpersonal skills from day 1. Chapter 2 explores emerging roles and the AI-human hybrid. Discover the exciting new career paths created at the intersection of human creativity and artificial intelligence. The AI revolution is creating new frontiers of work. These roles blend technology, ethics, creativity, and human insight. Organizations are racing to fill these positions, which require a unique blend of technical understanding and domain expertise. Previously non-existent roles are now essential. These include AI ethicists, prompt engineers, data storytellers, and AI trainers. These roles combine linguistic creativity, technical understanding, and human interpretation. The most exciting opportunities augment human potential. Hybrid roles, like augmented radiologists and enhanced designers, leverage the strengths of both human expertise and AI processing. The future belongs to those who can orchestrate AI tools with uniquely human insights. We are entering the co-pilot economy, focusing on collaboration over competition. AI serves as an intelligent assistant, with the human maintaining strategic control. Tomorrow's most valuable professionals will effectively collaborate with AI systems, knowing when to delegate and when to override. 4 core competencies are vital for co-piloting. These include AI fluency, strategic delegation, critical evaluation of AI outputs, and collaborative design of optimized workflows. Chapter 3 covers the skills for AI resilience and competitive advantage. We will examine the technical and human capabilities that will define career success in the AI era. The future is beyond coding, demanding interdisciplinary thinkers. Thriving professionals combine technical literacy with expertise in other areas. Meta skills like critical thinking, complex problem-solving, and adaptability are crucial for navigating technological shifts. Essential interdisciplinary skills include critical thinking to analyze AI outputs for flaws and complex problem-solving for ambiguous challenges. Adaptability allows you to pivot as technologies evolve, and systems thinking helps you understand complex organizational interactions. The power of human skills is increasing. As AI handles technical tasks, unique human capabilities become highly valuable. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic foresight define leadership in the AI era. Irreplaceable human attributes rest on 3 pillars: creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic foresight. While AI generates variations, humans provide original vision, navigate complex relationships, and make strategic judgment calls with incomplete information. Continuous learning is the foundation of career resilience. The half-life of technical skills has shrunk. Building a personal learning ecosystem involves identifying gaps, acquiring skills through structured learning, and applying that knowledge in real-world situations. An effective learning strategy requires intentionality and prioritization. Focus on skills at the intersection of your interests and market demand. Use micro-learning techniques and combine theoretical knowledge with hands-on projects for accelerated understanding. Chapter 4. Navigating the Transformation. We offer a frank discussion about vulnerable positions and how to pivot successfully before it's too late. Identifying vulnerable positions is crucial for proactive planning. Roles most at risk involve high repetition, rule-based decision-making, and limited need for creative judgment. A strategic reassessment is necessary if your work primarily consists of following established procedures. High-risk roles share characteristics like repetitive tasks, rule-based decisions without nuance, primary focus on data processing, and operating in predictable environments with limited variables. Specific roles facing transformation include data entry, bookkeeping, and basic customer service. The remaining positions will demand higher-level skills. View this as an opportunity to upskill and augment your existing expertise with new AI approaches. Proactive career pivots are essential for those in vulnerable roles. Start by conducting an honest skills inventory, identifying transferable skills, and researching adjacent roles. Strategic reskilling augments your expertise, increasing your value in the AI-enhanced workplace. Your pivot action plan involves a structured process, completing a skills inventory, researching market demands, analyzing skill gaps, creating a learning roadmap, building a network, and executing the transition through internal or external applications. The art of reinvention leverages existing expertise while adding complementary capabilities. For example, a legal assistant can become a legal tech specialist by learning AI workflow design. You are not starting over. You are strategically evolving your career. Real-world transformation examples include marketers becoming AI-enhanced growth strategists, radiologists evolving into augmented diagnosticians, and HR generalists transforming into people analytics consultants. Strategic planning begins with personalized skill audits. Evaluate your technical proficiencies, human skills, and AI fluency against market demands. The gaps reveal your learning priorities. Conduct this audit quarterly as the AI landscape evolves rapidly. The skills assessment framework uses a three-dimensional evaluation, rating yourself from novice to thought leader in technical skills, human skills, and AI fluency. Prioritize learning targets where market demand is high and your current rating is low. Strategic learning pathways combine online courses for foundational knowledge, hands-on projects for practical application, and industry certifications to signal expertise. Allocate time strategically to ensure you gain both theoretical and practical capability. Recommended learning resources include platforms like Coursera and DataCamp for technical skills, and programs from institutions like Harvard Business School for leadership. Prioritize programs that offer hands-on capstone projects and recognized certifications. Experiential learning builds intuition beyond formal courses. Seek opportunities to apply AI tools in real contexts, such as leading pilot projects or contributing to open source work. These experiences accelerate understanding and become powerful resume differentiators. Future-proofing your network means connecting with three groups: AI innovators, industry thought leaders, and peers navigating similar transitions. Engage actively by sharing insights and contributing value, making your network a valuable career resource. Your 90-day action plan starts with Month 1, Assessment, identifying learning areas and target roles. Month 2, Foundation, enrolling in a course and starting a project. Month 3, Momentum, completing certification, showcasing work, and attending industry events. Maintaining long-term career resilience requires consistent habits, including quarterly skills audits and weekly learning time. Build financial resilience for transition flexibility, and cultivate psychological resilience by embracing change as an opportunity. Key takeaways include focusing on human-AI collaboration, leveraging interdisciplinary skills, making continuous learning non-negotiable, and strategically utilizing your network. The time to start is now. Your future starts now. You have the strategic framework to navigate the AI job market. The professionals who thrive will combine AI fluency with irreplaceable human capabilities. Start your 90-day action plan today.